Hello everyone, I'm Brad Johnson, and I wanted to do this video to let you all know that I'm going to be at the Empowered Light Expo from September 6th to September 8th. And the first night I will be channeling Adronis, and Adronis will be coming through and he'll be talking about the golden age from 2037 to 2038. What's in store within these next few years? Where are we going as a human civilization? And what can we expect as we move more into the fourth density Earth? On the weekend of the 7th and the 8th of September, I will also be doing a Spirit Ambassador classroom. Now, I have actually just finished a Spirit Ambassador retreat here in Mount Shasta that was over a week long, and we have done all kinds of incredible, miraculous things through the students that were taking place here in Mount Shasta, from healing, from channeling, from mediumship, to being able to explore incredible phenomena. And when you are imbued with the Spirit Light codes, there is nothing you can't do. You are working with the pure intelligence field. You are working completely, deeply with Spirit. And I will be sharing all of the techniques, practices, and methods on how you can develop yourself as a Spirit Ambassador, start working with these incredible Spirit codes, and have access to the most powerful energy in all of creation, and that is the intelligence field. So there'll be more of this discussion happening in our weekend classroom. So I look forward to seeing you all at the Empowered Light Expo from September 6th to September 8th. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you again in another perspective of the now. Take care.